True positive rate and false positive rate, TPR, FPR, for multi-class data in Python. How do you compute the true and false positive rates of a multi-class classification problem? Say. The confusion matrix is computed by metrics.confusion_matrix y_true, y_prediction, but that just shifts the problem. Added after its Serelaux answer. Here, the class -1 is to be considered as the negatives, while 0 and 1 are variations of positives.
Using your data, you can get all the metrics for all the classes at once. For a general case where we have a lot of classes, these metrics are represented graphically in the following image.
Another simple way is PyCM, by me, that supports multi-class confusion matrix analysis. Applied to your problem.
Since there are several ways to solve this, and none is really generic, see this URL and this URL, here is the solution that seems to be used in the paper which I was unclear about. To count confusion between two foreground pages as false positive. So the solution is to import numpy as np, use y_true and y_prediction as np.array, then